Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the perfect easy recipe with egg, and these are egg quiche in pepper cups. These are so delicious, so easy to make, and the perfect baked egg I made in air fryer, and I'm so excited to share with you the recipe today. Let's see. Here I'm taking two peppers. These are big large peppers. The more the colorful, it looks really good. I only miss green color here, and so you have to cut it like this. You can take the seed off. So here I've taken 4 pepper cups. I just sliced 2 peppers and cut it like this. Next, here in an empty bowl, I'm taking 2 tablespoons spinach. These pepper cups are washed properly, and the only thing that I missed is that I did not put oil in the beginning. You can brush oil on top of the pepper cups. And here I'm adding 1 small white onion finely chopped, and this is peppercorns. I've added salt per taste. Now adding peppercorns here, crushed. Next adding half teaspoon oregano, red chili flakes, crushed, and mix it well. Half teaspoon each. Now I'm adding mild cheddar cheese. You can add your favorite cheese here. Next, here we are adding 2 eggs. Here in total we are taking 4 eggs, but first 2 eggs we will add to this mix and mix it well. So next we're going to put it in the pepper cups. Just fill these. Next we're going to take 2 more eggs to fill this pepper cups. These are quite large in size, so we need 4 eggs in total. So you can start always with 2, and in case you need more to fill up the pepper, you can add more like 3 or 4. So now it's finally filled. Adding cheese, little more cheese on top, and oregano sprinkled on top. You can add little more salt, red chili flakes, or your favorite seasoning on top of it. So I did not brush oil in the beginning on the pepper cups. So here I am brushing oil on the pepper cups, on all the corners like this, all sides. You can do this in the beginning also. Before filling all this, you can brush oil on the pepper cups evenly on all the sides. So here we are brushing oil. Normal oil, any oil you can take, any cooking oil like olive oil, canola, vegetable, butter, whichever oil you use, you can apply here. Now we will brush little oil on the basket tray and place all the pepper cups here on the tray. It's a very delicious recipe. Must try if you haven't tried before, and very fast to make in air fryer. Very interesting recipe. Now we're going to air fry it. Set the temperature at 350 Fahrenheit, and it will take 15 minutes exact. You can check in between, but 15 minutes is the exact time for it to properly bake, for the eggs to bake. Eggs are perfectly baked, cheese are looking very crisp, and the pepper cups are very juicier, very juicy. It's so delicious and very filling recipe. You can just enjoy this recipe. Look how gorgeous it looks. Very tasty. I'll show you how it looks inside. The eggs are baked so perfectly. The smell of the cheese, cheddar cheese, oregano, blend of all the black pepper. So good, so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I would like to see you again in my new video. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and there's a bell icon next to it. Please click on that. Thanks for watching.